Good morning, everyone. Welcome to Pre-Market News and Views by In the Money Stocks. Today is November 14, 2018. My name is Nick Santiago. Thank you all for tuning in this morning. All right, starting the day off, we're going to take a look at the S&P 500 E-mini futures. They are flying high today. They're up about 14 points, trading at 27.41 3/4 per contract. We had a little bit of economic data out earlier, showing a little bit less inflation. Market seems to like that, at least at the moment. But this has been a volatile ride over the last couple of weeks, and I think we're going to still see more of it. But in the meantime, we have lots of stocks in the news, so let's get started there. First stock we're going to take a look at is going to be Macys. Macys reporting earnings. Stock is trading at $36.30, closed at $35.79. Macys right now, with that little uptick, I don't think we can make too much out of it. We'll look at this one once the opening bell rings. Right now, I would sit pat with it. If you own it, trail the stop loss. If you don't own it, just leave it alone here. Macys not doing a whole lot ahead of the opening bell. Another one we want to look at here today that reported earnings is Canada Goose. Ticker symbol is GOOS. Stock right now is trading at $66.70, closed at $58.58. This is an excellent move higher for the name. This is kind of a new issue. Stock's only been around since April of 2017, but nonetheless, it is advancing. Not quite at new highs yet, but not far from them. So if you own this one, trail the stop loss. If you don't own it, just leave it alone at the moment. Let's take a look at CGC, which is Canopy Growth. This is a marijuana play. Stock is trading at $34.59. This closed at $38.48 yesterday. I think this still has more downside today. You should have some support around the $32 level. You got a nice 200-day moving average right here at around 31.92, so that matches up nicely with this little pivot. There should be some daily chart support there, but the reality of it is this stock should ultimately trade lower. I don't see a lot of strength out here until this really sells off a bit more. Let's move over and take a look at Snap. Snap is in the news today. It looks like they are going to be subpoenaed by the Department of Justice and the SEC. Stock trading at $6.30, closed at $6.71. There's nothing I would do with this name at this moment. Let's take a look at Wayfair. Ticker symbol is W. Stock right now is trading at 91. It closed yesterday at 92.71. Looks like they're going to do a convertible debt offering, $500 million worth. So I don't think there's a whole lot there. Let's see how it plays out. I still like the 86 level for Wayfair if it gets down there. Let's take a look here at Tenneco. Ticker symbol is TEN. This is downgraded today. This right now is trading at $32.32, closed at $33.62. So this is a pretty good little haircut here for Tenneco. When I look at the chart, I really don't see much of a play right now. We do have a little bit of a level coming in around 31.50. That might be a play. I'm going to need to work on this level a little bit better before I feel comfortable with it. So we'll keep that one on the radar. Next up, we want to take a look at Kellogg's. Kellogg's also being downgraded today. The stock is trading at $62.32, closed at $63.42. Again, I think Kellogg's is a bit oversold here, but nonetheless, we'll see if it finds some support around the $61.50 level. I think there could be some support there. Next up, we want to take a look here at Conagra Foods. CAG is the ticker symbol here. This is also down on a downgrade. Stock is trading at $34.55, closed at $35.19. So good little haircut. I think this has lower to go. A level I like for Conagra, if it gets there, would be right around the $31.35, $31.40 level. Keep that level on the radar today if it does move lower. All right, we're going to switch gears here a little bit. Let's go over to the gold market. Gold futures trading lower by $2.30 to $1,199 an ounce. Crude oil up 63 cents this morning. Crude will have inventory numbers at 10:30. Right now, spot crude is trading at 56.33. What is moving sharply higher today is nat gas. Nat gas flying higher by nearly 10% this morning. This is very, very overbought, but it's been moving in a straight upward trajectory. So nat gas flying high again. You can see the UNG trading at around 36.70. All right, I'm going to wrap it up here. Keep it short and sweet today. I want to wish you all a great trading day. Once again, if you haven't done so, come on over, take that 7-day free trial to the intraday stock chat room or check out the research center. We've really had a blockbuster 2018. We're going to look to keep that going right into the end of the year and beyond. With that being said,